Here we have Hitachi's new DS18DSAL 18-volt Lithium Ion Compact Pro driver. It features Hitachi's new 18-volt slide-on lithium ion battery, which is 50% lighter than typical NiCad batteries and lasts 3 times as long. It also features power throughout the life of the battery, as opposed to a NiCad, which starts losing power as soon as you pull the trigger. Another feature of the drill is the 22+1 clutch. This allows the user to select just the right amount of torque for the job that they're doing. For instance, if you were putting in a small screw to install a hinge or something like that, you'd want to set the clutch to the 1 to 3 or 4 setting, which would give just enough torque to set the screw but not spin it out. However, if you were doing a larger job, like drilling through a large piece of wood or driving a lag bolt or something that needed a lot of power, you'd want to set it to the drill mode, which will allow the drill to provide the full 460 inch-pound of torque. Another great feature of this tool is the half-inch metal ratcheting keyless chuck. This allows the tool to change bits very quickly and efficiently and securely fasten them to the tool so that you know they're not going to slip. With a quick twist, you can remove a small bit, expand the chuck to its widest opening, which is a ½ inch, insert any tool up to ½ inch diameter, and with a quick twist, the tool is now securely fastened and will not come out. The DS18DSAL also features a 2-speed switch. In the low speed, the tool will operate from 0 to 350 RPM. In high speed, the tool will operate up to 1500 RPM. Why this is important is because when you're driving a screw or a lag bolt or something that takes more torque, the tool should be operating in the low speed. This allows the tool to offer the full amount of torque that it can deliver and drive the screw properly. The high-speed setting would be used for pilot holes or other drilling or high-speed applications where torque isn't as important as the speed of the drill to do the job properly. Everyone knows that after a full day of using a driver like this, the weight can be a serious issue. The DS18DSAL is compact at only 7.7 inches in length and weighing just about 3.5 pounds. The tool is very lightweight, yet provides enough torque and power to get any job done. The LED light located just above the trigger finger is another great feature on this tool. If you lightly depress the trigger, the light turns on and remains on while you're pulling the trigger. This allows you to illuminate your tight areas that you're working in. If you have to hold a fastener, you can't always hold a flashlight. So this will allow you to have light right where you need it, right at the tip of the tool, never going to be left in the dark. When you purchase the DS18DSAL, you'll also get the bonus flashlight. This works off the same 18-volt lithium-ion battery and offers a lot of light where you need it. The head positions to 5 stops, which allows you to illuminate any area that you're working on.